The Buffalo National Weather Service issued a blizzard warning pretty early. The warning came out early this morning for tomorrow. So what exactly constitutes a blizzard warning? You need winds 35 miles per hour or greater. The duration of the storm needs to be 3 hours or longer, and visibility needs to be a quarter mile or less. Well, we're going to have winds gusting close to 70 miles per hour, so check. This is going to last a long time. The warning is in effect from Friday morning through Sunday morning, so check. And visibilities will be close to zero, especially in the lake band, so we can check that one off as well. Blizzard warning in effect Friday morning through Sunday morning for about 1 to 3 feet of snow with snow drifts that'll be much higher than that. Winds gusting 50 to 70 miles per hour. Winter storm warning for Wyoming, Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties from Friday morning through Monday morning. So the event's going to last longer down across the southern tier. And a lakeshore flood warning along the Lake Erie shoreline up through the Niagara River from Friday morning through 7 p.m. on Saturday for a lot of flooding along the Lake Erie shoreline up through the Niagara River. This is going to be a very, very serious situation along the Lake Erie shoreline. Snow totals through Friday from Friday 6 a.m. through 5 p.m. About 3 to 6 inches of snow will have fallen by then. But that snow is going to fall on some ice, so a layer of ice will already be underneath this snow, making for some very, very difficult travel. Then as we go from Friday night through from 5 to around 11 p.m. the snow will really start to pile up as that band off of Lake Erie intensifies. And by Saturday morning, you're looking at about 8 inches in Elma, a foot in Lancaster, almost 2 feet of snow in Buffalo, stretching all the way over toward Akron. With winds gusting 50 to 70 miles per hour, it's going to be impossible to travel in that band. Rainfall today through early Friday. After around 7 a.m. we'll have what we call a flash freeze. Again, the water from the rain that's on the ground will ice over. Then snow and strong winds will develop as your Friday morning moves along. The strongest part of the storm late Friday through early Saturday. So taking a look at your Friday forecast, 6 a.m. 40 degrees with some rainfall. Front comes through between around 6 and 8 a.m. Temperatures drop. We go from 40 to near 20 by noontime. We're in the teens in the afternoon, and that blizzard warning starts at 7 a.m. Hour by hour forecast. Rain tonight into tomorrow at 7 a.m. It's still raining, snowing by 8, and then we'll have the snow during the day on Friday, really ramping up Friday night into Saturday. And this band doesn't move all that much, really stretching from Buffalo almost to Rochester. It'll finally start to sag southward later on Sunday. Projected snow totals. Now, this is a different model. Same kind of results for Friday late in the day. We're already around 7 inches of snow at 7 p.m. in Buffalo. By Saturday morning, this model has more than a foot of snow in Buffalo, about 1.5 feet in Orchard Park. And by the time we get to Sunday early afternoon, close to 3 feet in Orchard Park, about 2 feet in Buffalo. Same thing with Batavia. A lot of snow, about 30 inches there in Dunkirk. The snow numbers south of Buffalo down in ski country, those will start to increase later on Sunday into early Monday as the band starts to shift further southward. But I don't want to get too hung up on those snow totals because of this. The winds that are going to be gusting 45 to 65 miles per hour late Friday morning. About 50 to 70 miles per hour as we head into Friday night through early Saturday. And then Saturday late in the afternoon, winds around 30 to 50 miles per hour. Finally, Sunday, winds gusting around 30 miles per hour. So with these strong winds lasting a long time, blowing that snow around, it'll be very light, fluffy snow, easily to transport. So visibilities will be close to zero. Power outages, a big concern with these strong winds at around 60 to 70 miles per hour. Power outages are a possibility in this area. Look at that in Genesee County, a medium risk for power outages. Bottom line, if you have a generator, make sure it's ready to go. You might need it. And with the dangerously cold wind chills that we're going to be dealing with, it's a good time to check it out. Today's the day you want to make sure that that generator is working. Also, along that Lake Erie shoreline, like I mentioned, we have what we call a seiche. So basically, it's kind of like you sit in a bathtub, you sit in one spot, and the water displaces to another spot. That's what's going to happen on a much larger scale. The water level off to the western end of Lake Erie, places like Toledo, will go down several feet. And with these strong winds, all that water is going to be pushed off toward the eastern end of Lake Erie. And latest model data showing the water will be up about 12 feet. On top of that, you'll have about 15 to 20 foot waves. Some models showing waves out over the open waters of Lake Erie more than 20 feet. You don't see that too often. So I did see one computer model showing a wave height of around 24 feet out over Lake Erie. So all this water being pushed on shore. This is going to cause major damage along the eastern end of Lake Erie all the way up the Niagara River. Your forecast for today, mostly cloudy, some rain showers later today. Temperatures near 40. It's not bad outside right now. starts to go downhill tonight with rain likely, winds on the increase, lows in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, we have the blizzard warning, early highs near 40, and then those temperatures will drop. Saturday, your high just 17 degrees with the blizzard warning. We'll have snow with visibilities near 0. Sunday, snow, especially in the morning. Then that snow will start to drift further southward. Same thing on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Quiet. And we have a nice warm up in store for the end of next week. Of course, we got the Bills at Chicago.